How to make Spotify play over other apps. So first thing first, I want you to open your Spotify, and you should be able to see the run in background option in Spotify if you have upgraded to premium plans. So here I haven't upgraded in my premium plans, but I will tell you briefly on how you can do it. Just go to your profile and go to your settings and privacy, and when you scroll down, you should be able to see an option called, and then there you should be able to see the plain background option. Just enable the option and you should be able to play it. Another method is just open this is Spotify play. Another method is just you need to open your Spotify app and play a song and go back to the home screen and run the Spotify in the background and listen to music. To control music playback on Spotify, you can go to access control center on your phone, and then you can keep the Spotify playing in the background of your phone. So therefore in this method you can Therefore, by this method, you can make your Spotify play on your background. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.